Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Cash App account. Alright, let's get it started. So the first what you have to do is go to your Cash App account. So here I'm going to show you an article that will show you how to delete your Cash App account since Cash App is not available in my country. So here the first step is to tap on the account icon. So when you open the application, on the top right hand side corner you'll see the profile icon. Click over there, and here once you click there you'll be able to see the support option. Click on that support button. So once you do that, here you have to click on something else and then click on edit account settings. So once you do that, here you have an option to close your Cash App account. So once you reach there, what you have to do is click on this close your Cash App account, and once you do that you just have to confirm the closing of your account. So what you can do is just click on the confirm, and here you can see once you receive confirmation that your Cash App account has been closed, you can safely remove the app from your phone. So that's it. Those were some simple steps to delete your Cash App account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.